If you want to make yourself a better trader and a profitable trader, you have only one choice. You have to go for the market turning points indicator, or the other one, the bank indicator. You can choose any one of them to be a profitable trader, and then you need to combine this indicator with the liquidity knowledge. And how you can learn the liquidity? That's very simple. Just open the playlist of my YouTube channel. There is one folder in the name of advanced trading course, and when you open that folder, there are eight videos inside, from lecture number 1 to lecture number 8. That's a very precise short 8 videos course, and just cover those videos, and after that use any of my indicator, either from the market turning points or the bank indicator. You can simply make a good profits every day from the trading market. And this is what happens with us, because if you don't trust, then just visit my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and see how my students are sending the screenshots of their profits, and they are providing their feedbacks on the indicators. Just by, you can see all the activity in our trading channel. Okay, so please join the trading channel through the Telegram link that is given in the description of this video. The second thing, how you can book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator or the bank indicator, that is very simple. Our email and the Telegram channel link is in the description, and you can contact us through there. Okay, now first of all, let me tell you that why the market turning points works. Basically, first of all, it's a real time indicator, and it has some static levels as well. So for example, the sell opportunity that is created on the 15-minute, that was created in real time. But if we talk about that buy opportunity, it was the static level already there. And now what happened, that why it's successful? You can see this is the support area for the market. Okay, so retail traders were taking their buy positions from here. Okay, so they were taking their buy positions from here, and their stop losses were lower. But my students who have the market turning points indicator, they will not take their trade from here. This long bearish candle is the liquidity hunt, and after hunting the liquidity, my students will take the trade after a confirmation from this area, and then you can see the price is reversed. Okay, so basically liquidity is the fuel of the market, and the market will go to liquidate you every time. Now let me show you one more thing. Look at this. This is the support area for the market, for the retail trader. Okay, retail trader were buying here. This becomes a liquidity pool, but you can see the market rejected that area below. They have done the liquidity hunt, and now just look at this. This is the intelligent performance from my indicator, that it has exactly given you a buy opportunity after the liquidity hunt. And then see what happened. The price is simply it was going to when it was coming from this side, it was basically going to target that level, and now you can see almost the price has reached to that level. That is why I say my market turning points indicator, you cannot beat it, because this is the perfect indicator for the trading. Okay, now for example, look at this area was the support area for the retail traders. They have taken the buy. Now just look at this long wick, and that the price was rejected from the buy opportunity. So basically their stop losses were hunted here, and then my students will take the trade from here after a confirmation, and now you can see the price is up. So this is the perfect indicator. If you use it with the liquidity knowledge, then no one can beat you from making the profits in the trading market. That's a very simple approach. Okay, now another example. Look at this NZD-USD. That was the resistance for the retail traders. Now the price has liquidated everyone. Okay, and now the sell opportunity in real time. Now the price has a lot of chances to go into the downward direction. Okay, now let's talk about the bank order indicator. Okay, about the bank indicator, it's very simple that first of all, we do not take the trade from the level. We always wait for the retest. If you just look at here, the price retested the bank selling order, and then it went down. So this is the level that is created after the liquidation, and then you can make a very easy profit out of it. Okay, now let me show you another example. Okay, so let me open any good chart so that I can explain. Okay, now you can see this is the first retest. So the bank indicator is all about the first retest. So this is the first retest, and then you can see the price is down. So when you are working with my bank indicator, you have to work on the retest. You can see when the level was created, it was created later on. The price came for the retest, and now you can see Great Britain pound AUD is going into the upward direction. So if you like the retest method, then go for the bank indicator. If you want to trade the real time creation of the levels, then go for the market turning points. Okay, now you can see NZD USD retested and it's going down. So this is how these indicator works. And if you want to book the lifetime version of the bank indicator or the market turning points indicator that you see on the screen, you can contact through Telegram or email. Please find all details in the description of this video.